T-Mobile home internet devices restarting unexpectedly, often called boot loops or crashes, can be frustrating. These issues typically stem from three main causes. Software glitches during updates. Firmware updates can become corrupted during installation, leading to boot loops where the gateway endlessly restarts. Hardware malfunctions like a faulty SIM card or antenna. Network instability due to 5G spectrum congestion or weak signals. To diagnose, consider recent updates, your signal strength, aim for minus 70 dBm or better, and whether the issue occurs during peak usage hours. Understanding these root causes is the first step toward resolving the problem. Start with a power cycle. Unplug your T-Mobile gateway for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple step can resolve many restart issues by clearing temporary glitches. Next, check for updates using the T-Mobile app or your gateway's web interface. Manually installing available updates ensures your device has the latest fixes for stability issues. Improve signal strength by moving the gateway away from metal structures or obstructions. A stronger signal, closer to minus 65 dBm, can eliminate crashes caused by poor connectivity. Ensure proper ventilation by placing the gateway in a well-ventilated area. Overheating can cause restarts, so good airflow is essential. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. This clears all settings and can fix persistent issues, but remember, it will erase your custom configurations. If restarts continue, contact T-Mobile support or use the T-Mobile app's diagnostics. Their AI-driven tools predict potential crashes and resolve 92% of issues through self-help.